Alright everybody, I am at 674 subscribers, and when I reach 700 I will be doing a free rank upgrade giveaway on Hypixel. To enter the giveaway, all you gotta do is hit subscribe, like this video, comment your IGN, and share with your friends, and it'll be in the giveaway. Other than that guys, enjoy the video. It's beautiful. Hey everybody, what's going on? CanadianFlash guys, and today everybody, 15 hours ago, Hytale released a new blog post. Whoa! Alright, so this is going to be custom content in Hytale, and this is going to be a mod developer blog kind of blog post. So this is not up my alley, but hey, we'll read it anyway because I need content. So, customizing Hytale. When we announced Hytale, we said that we'd be open providing players with all tools that we develop in order to create the game. Over the last couple of months, we've received lots of questions about the means for modders and content creators. That's myself, oh my god. In the past, we've discussed how Hytale model makers allow creators to build and import their own models, textures, and animation into the game. We've shown off character customization and demonstrated how blocks should work, and how you can build with them. This is far from the full extent of the tools and options that we have planned for Hytale. In this post, we're going to explore some of the things that are possible using in Hytale's customization tools. These allow modders and content creators to fundamentally change many aspects of the game without having to directly edit files or even close the game itself. Beautiful! Alright, so all the images and clips in this post represent in-work progress interfaces and functional ability. Both game tools the provider are likely to evolve between now and launch. Whoa, that is the first we've seen the word launch. That might mean something. I doubt it. I'm just saying things. Customizing the weather. Hytale's weather system makes a huge difference on how an area feels. In creating zones and biomes for adventure mode, we have already outlined dozens of presets that change everything from color to the sky to specific textures using different phases of the moon. In the images below, you can see the same landscaping at different times of the day and under different weather conditions. Alright, let's see this. We'll go big here because we can. So we have time of day, weather, and changes. So normal day, we have like a sunset, we have nighttime, looks cool. These presets are configured using a powerful in-game asset customization, which allows creators to tinker with almost every aspect of the game. Honestly, just kind of reminds me of Time Changer mod from Minecraft. Here's an example of a weather customization interface. Yeah, mod makers probably know what this is. Yeah, well, it's pretty simple, like sunset colors, fog colors, sun colors. It's pretty simple, but I'm never gonna get into it, so yeah. In this example, you can see how different colors can be set to different aspects of the weather at different times of the day. Using the bar at the top, creators can cycle through times of the day to preview their changes. The menu on the right provides access to other aspects of the weather customization, including swapping skyboxes and starscapes without quitting the game. Fantastic. Best of all, these changes can be experienced by everybody connecting onto the server. Once presets are created, they can be switched using simple text commands or bound to a keybind. Perfect. Here's an example of weather being cycled in Zone 3. Alright, roll the clip. This is only one example of what can be done with the asset customization menu. While we're not completely ready to show off the rest of the user interface yet, we're going to spend the rest of this post illustrating other things that can be done, and the power it grants to modders. Dang it, just modders. No, not just, okay. Live texture changes. Changing the weather is one thing, but if you really want to customize an environment, then you want to change textures. Hytale's in-game tools allow you to change the textures associated with the particular block or model on the fly. Okay, so it's just like changing a texture pack in Minecraft. To a granular level of detail. Want to change how a particular kind of stone looks? You can do that. Want to change the color of the grass tops and the grass blocks without changing the color of the soil? You can do that. Nice. Then you can watch your changes take place in real time as the updates take effect for every player. Alright, let's roll the clip. Already got advanced building tools. We're also working on tools that help builders to quickly construct sophisticated creations. These include copy-paste functions that allow you replicate completed arrangements of blocks, as you can see below. Oh my god, that is awesome. We're gonna roll this clip. Beautiful. I love it. Copy-paste the whole thing. I love it. And it's super easy too. Next, combining these techniques with the options provided live by live assets customization give builders a huge amount of power. That is true. In the example below, world team member Odom, hope I said that right, sorry, uses several different techniques in order to quickly expand and refine a complex build. Roll the clip. Custom weapons and effects. So this is a really cool part about this blog post. I skimmed over it earlier, so just so I can see, because I was at work when this actually came out. That's why the video was not out the day that the blog post came out. My bad, I'm sorry, jeez. The in-game customization also extends to item, weapon, particle effects, and gameplay. We're going to dig much deeper in this in future blog posts because it's a massive subject, but for the sake of demonstration, here's what is possible with a custom model and a few minutes of in-game configuration. The model and animations for the laser rifle were created for a Hytale model maker from the modeling segment of the Hytale announcement trailer. Cool. All we needed to do is turn it into a new weapon, assign a new projectile and on-hit particle effects, establish damage values, and test it out on some zombies. Whoa, zombies. It'll be easy for modders to customize all aspects of the combat experience and test their changes live. Perfect. Changing creator models. Customization doesn't end here. Player models can be changed on the fly too. Take a look. Almost all of Hytale's creatures and creations can be made playable with a button push. Really? And the attachment system, last previewed in our introduction to Hytale Model Maker, means that they can change and equip weapons and armor, perform actions that those creatures will normally never do. These changes can be applied to a single player, a group, or even somebody on a server. Okay, that's cool. Do you want to play a game where dead-eyed pigeons toss throwing knives at distance targets? Probably not, but we did it anyway. Roll the clip. This is a good one. God, pigeons. It's like walking in Toronto. The crucial thing that we give modders and servers operations as much freedom as possible is to use the immigrations to push the limits of the system and experiment without having to rely on external tools. Besides, what's the point of filling the game with monsters if you can't play with one from time to time? And I think this is really cool in this last little video here of the girl. She clicks a button, turns into an ice dragon. Like, what? First of all, we get to see Ice Dragon in action. Like, that's pretty awesome. Second though, I want to do that. Like, that's sick. Like, turning into an Ice Dragon. Holy crap. Well, guys, that is it for this blog post. If you guys want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Remember, at 700 I'm doing a rank upgrade. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for 800, but that's a while away, so I have time to think about it. By the way, guys, I am playing on the Archon Skyblock, the Origins realm, so if you want to get on there, play with some of my friends and stuff, and a bunch of other huge YouTubers like X Nestorio and Calvin and CanadianFlash and all those other guys. So if you want to join that, I'll leave a link in the description to the IP in the description to join it. The Origins realm is very like full, so you might need to get a rank to actually join the server because it is actually insane. So maybe for 800 I'll do a rank. giveaway on there, who knows, but that's when I reach 800. So yeah, other than that, guys, if you all enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.